Oh, this might go a little faster. It's good. I'm Carmion Hamilton, interior designer, blogger, content creator, and HGTV's Design Star Next Gen winner. I'm giving my bar a little bit of an update by making a few simple crafts that I can finish in the time it takes to drink one cocktail. So I'm gonna show you how to make some super simple DIY artwork, and along with it, how about a little French 75? I'm a nervous wreck about things that pop. I hate balloons. Ah! That was a heart attack. My bar has some open shelving that would greatly benefit from some wall art. As a designer and a homeowner, when it comes to wall art, I always go for original. Why go out and buy what 5 million people have when you can just make it and it's immediately yours? I have 3 different size frames, and I've already cut some white paper to fit in each of the frames. I have some black paper. The tip is to tear it along a straight edge. We just rip. I rip a few more. The color black became very critical in my life and my design aesthetic. The more I researched my culture, the more I became conscious of not only my culture, but how important being Black is to me and my family. And once my eyes were opened, I never looked back. And then I realized how good Black looks everywhere. I mean, hello. Black is necessary in every single space, just for a moment of grounding. Every space needs a little Black. I'm not trying to create anything in particular. I just want to see where the chips fall. Maybe you should just, do one of those and see what happens. And if you don't like what you glue down, I mean, it's glue and paper. Make more than one. Really liking how this one is looking. I'm gonna start on the other 2. I really love where these are right now. We need to add a little bit of, like bubbles in a French 75. It's just that, I really wanna add some gold. Something organic in here. Organic, rustic, those are the words when it's not perfect. Let the French 75 lead you. The more imperfect, the more hand done it looks, like a human did it. That's what you're going for. Last one. Little baby, mommy, daddy, and baby. Well, you guys are probably watching this like, what is she doing? But once you put this in a frame, everybody's gonna ask you, where'd you get that from? So I'm just going to accent our Black paper pieces with some gestural lines. I didn't plan any of this out. I just wanted to go with the flow. If you plan too much, you'll probably never get started. You've just made original artwork. Right on time. This is a perfect one cocktail craft. Now let's see one of them framed up because, of course, you gotta admire your work, right? Oh my goodness. Getting this framed totally took it from arts and crafts to original, one-of-a-kind, unique wall art. I cannot wait to get the rest of these framed and on the bar.